In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your financial data by setting up a backup in Zoho Books. Keeping your important business data safe should be a top priority, right? For anyone using cloud-based services like Zoho Books, and having a reliable backup process in place can ensure you're always prepared in case anything unexpected happens. To start this process, open up your Chrome browser and head over to Zoho Books. Enter your login credentials to access your account securely. Once inside Zoho Books, we need to make our way to the section where we can manage the backup settings, so head over to the Settings area. This section can often be found on your main dashboard or under an options menu depending on the latest updates and design settings on Zoho's website. Within Settings, scroll through the options until you locate Data Backup. Selecting this option will take you to the main area where we'll configure our backup preferences. It's important to make these selections carefully to ensure that all your critical data is included. Once you're in the data backup section, you'll see various options regarding the frequency of your backups and the types of data you wish to include. Take a moment to assess how often you'll need to back up your data. If your business handles a large amount of financial transactions daily, you might choose to back up on a daily basis. However, if things are more stable and less dynamic, weekly or even monthly backups might be sufficient. This flexibility allows you to tailor your backup schedule to match the rhythm of your business. After deciding on the frequency, the next decision involves the specific data you want to back up. Zoho Books allows you to pick and choose from different data types. Perhaps you need just the transaction data, or maybe all-inclusive reports and account information. Be sure to include every data type that's critical to your operations. Once your choices are made, simply click on the Backup Now button. This will create an immediate backup of your data with the selections you've made. After the backup process is complete, you'll have the option to download the backup file. Make sure you store this securely, whether that's on an external hard drive or a verified cloud storage solution. For ongoing peace of mind, you might also want to set up automatic backups. This feature ensures that your data is regularly backed up according to the schedule you've selected without needing to think about it daily. It's like putting your data security on autopilot, an essential step for any busy business owner. By following these straightforward steps in Zoho Books, you can rest easy knowing that your valuable financial information is both current and secure. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.